Hey bitch, it's Brett here, singer, songwriter, actor, actress, athlete, activist, a scientist on the motherfucking side. The star of Krista Day, a coconut water connoisseur, and the newest MTV star, amongst other things, you know. And today, as you can see, we have two plates on our table. I am joined by none. Honestly, it's just nobody, but I will be joined by none other than introducing. You guys haven't seen her in 6 months, so she might seem a little new. But come in, Princess May!
You didn't fuck me, you
fucked the old body. When you fuck Nikki, you fuck the old body. Nicole body, bitch. Welcome, guys. Welcome, Princess May.
Hello,
We're
everyone.
welcoming in the New Year's with none other than the color of the year. Very Perry is the color of the year. We're wearing like something lighter, but we'll flash like the color of the year right here, right now. But yeah, welcome to 2020 to us.
Oh my god! Look at it.
Oh my god! Okay, bitch, I'ma still confront you with all the fucking headaches you gave me, bitch. It's still here. The fuck?
Princess! Fuck am I gonna do with a cup of ice?
Well, you told me you wanted a fucking cup of ice.
But as I was saying,
Just
you
go.
guys know how...
You know when it bounces and it's like boing? That's what you sound like. I sound like Beyonce, bitch.
Period! We're eating some Jolene's Kitchen.
Jolene.
Why we're
Jolene,
eating it?
Jolene.
Actually, I don't even know why we're eating it because I'm allergic to lobster.
Yeah, that's why we have
A plate, but
we're having some lobster roll by none other than Miss Jolene herself. Loco Moco for today.
I got the brisket loco moco.
Period. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna just eat real quick, and we can talk. Oh my gosh.
I feel like I haven't talked to you.
Princess. Yeah, we haven't talked, bitch, by the way. Oh my gosh. I really feel like that's a good question to start off. Why haven't we been making YouTube videos, Princess May?
You know, brothers and sisters fight.
Sibling teams.
Yeah.
I don't even know why you're acting like we don't ever fight, bitch.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, we fight.
Yeah, just know that we had a cute little like brother and sibling fight
Okay,
that we
yeah.
needed. We
Uh-huh,
always
we did,
need
we
what I
did.
needed
Yeah.
because this bitch was just too much.
Yeah.
It was cute
I
because
feel
I
like
didn't
I was going through too much too. Like, it was just too much going on, and I was just like, ugh. I
like
couldn't.
personal stuff.
Yeah.
I was dealing with personal stuff, and her
Yeah.
stuff started to bleed with mine. My stuff started to bleed with hers.
Yeah.
And it was just too much for the both of us. I will say we needed a break.
We did. It was a great 6 months though.
Yeah, you learned things. I didn't need to learn
Yeah.
things, but I just needed a break from you. I'm gonna
want
just
this?
start eating this stuff real quick. I wanna try it. So 2022, Princess. What's the tea, girl? What is your resolutions?
I want to have like a more healthier lifestyle. I feel like I've disciplined myself a lot with working out.
You
I
have
work out like
been.
Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. I want to continue to like work every day, but I didn't want to push myself too hard.
Because you don't want to crash.
Yeah. And then like, you know, and like not work out for a whole week because I'm like my body's sore. And also like my mind. Like I feel like you have to be more healthier in the mind so you're able to like move around and like do what you want to do. Because if you have a really ugly, you know, mentality and like you have bad vibes, like nobody wants to be around that.
Period.
And I feel like that's the same reason why we didn't talk, because like I was just in a very bad mindset.
You needed to work on yourself.
Yeah, definitely. And I want to keep continuing to work on myself.
Period. So this year is all about your health era.
Yeah.
Mental and physical health era.
Yes.
Period.
It's all about healing and it takes time. What is your New Year's resolution?
Oh my gosh, Princess, I just really never thought you would ask me about my New Year's resolution. My New Year's resolution this year, I already made a cute little video on it, but my number one thing this year is to not explain myself to people. I feel like last year I definitely explained myself too much to people that don't need the explanation. So yeah, I would say just this year, I'ma do me, and if you don't get it, that's okay. I really feel like that's a really cute New Year's resolution. Oh wait, speaking of resolutions, Princess, this year is the year of the water tiger. I'm gonna be reviewing you your what Geminis have in store this year.
Okay.
Year of 2022 for Gemini. Gemini career in year 2022, Princess.
Wow.
Listen the fuck up. The year 2022 may bring mixed results on your career front. You might have to work a little harder to perform well, which, bitch, you better motherfucking work harder. Your competitors might also try to pull you down. And there might be question about your efficiency. Princess, we are not competing, baby. We are not in the same league. I don't know why the fuck you wanna point at me as your competition, bitch. Your competitors might
You were
also try to
triggered.
bring you down, and there might be questions about your efficiency. Do not let it affect your momentum and pace towards your goals.
Ooh, I love the pace moment. It's giving me very much like.
So what is this? What is this telling you? Like, what is this? Does this bring up anything? Like,
It
does it
definitely brings
resonate
up-
with anything this year? Tell us.
So there's this one time we came back from Bretman's house, and my daughter was like, "Mommy, Bretman's house is so big," and I was like, "I know, right? It's so big." She was like, How did he get it?" And I was like, "He worked really hard on it." And he was like, "Oh, he built it?" And I was like, "No, sis. She worked really hard. Somebody built it. He bought it." And then she was like, looked around my room, and she was like, "Well, Mommy, you need to work harder."
Period. That was your sign.
That was.
Okay, Princess, I'm gonna give you the phone, and you're gonna read me Leo in the year of Water Tiger.
Okay.
Tell me.
Oh, why?
Oh my god. Really?
In the early days of the year 2022, the native of Leo zodiac will be under the influence of.
We'll be under the influence, bitch. I'm high as shit.
What is this?
Sound it out.
Bretman, I don't know how to say it.
Auspicious. Don't fucking.
Planets in the domestic life and love life. You will be able to control the. How do you say this?
There's two words in that. Ideological.
Ideological difference you may have with your life partner or loved one. Oh, I think it's funny.
No, it's not, Princess.
Which will bring harmony in your personal or domestic life. I don't
What
know.
does that even say about me?
I don't know.
It makes no sense.
Hold on, let me look.
That's
for
the
it.
only one. You will be able to control ideological differences you may have with your life partner or loved ones, which will bring harmony in your personal or domestic life. Why is it about love? This year, like, especially like after I got dumped, bitch, I get so uncomfortable when we talk about boys. Or like when I think about boys, I get uncomfortable when boys flirt with me. I have a hard time like noticing when boys are interested in me. Like even when boys are flirting with me, like I don't know they're flirting with me. Even when I tried to download like dating apps, I legit felt like I was cheating on somebody. Like even though I was like single, like I would get uncomfortable. Like even when I would like think about having sex with men and like bitch, you know me, bitch, I'm horny as fuck and like
Are you
my
straight?
sex drive. Girl, I know. I'm like, bitch, I'm about to be straight for some reason. But, like, my sex drive is not existent. Like, I don't even be thinking about sex like that anymore. It's bad. But then I really thought about it, and I was like, maybe I needed it. I really fucking needed it. Because this year, bitch, I focused
Is there
so
a way
much
to
on...
break the kid?
She told me that, my grandma from dad's side, like, watches over me a lot. And that she's a really strong, like, spiritual guidance in my life. And that she thinks that, like, the reason why I haven't been able to, like, fix it or, like, detect it is because maybe she felt like I needed to go through it. And yeah, maybe my sign this year is to just, like, love people that, like, loves me.
I love you.
Starting tomorrow, I guess.
Okay,
'Cause
I'll
it
text
says-
you tomorrow.
Yeah, because it says early days. And tomorrow's still an early day. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. And I said people who loves me.
I do love you.
Do not, Princess.
I do love you.
She does.
I do.
You can't. Kiefer, I am not. I'm like, where the fuck are you in this video?
Right in the back. Talks
No,
about you a lot.
A lot, all the time.
Oh my god,
I'm
Princess.
always like, when you weren't talking, I'm always like asking Kiefer like, "Oh, is my brother coming? Should I go over there and say hi and tell him I love him?"
No. We should really open up about that, Princess.
Yeah, we should.
Because, bitch, we shared our whole entire life on the internet. Cut to the story short. Like,
Yeah.
my sister and I, we've never fought about, like, money.
Yeah.
And it makes me so uncomfortable speaking about money with my siblings. And I always draw that line of boundary with, like, my money. Because, to be honest, like, for people to talk about my money makes me uncomfortable because I don't even know how much fucking money I make. I don't talk about money even with myself because that's why I have business managers to handle my money. Bitch, when you grow up broke and when you finally have money, you're gonna fucking spend it. I grew up so broke and my first paychecks, Kiefer will know, like, I spend it on dumb shit. So, just from my perspective and without, like, talking about it too much, like, because, like, really, nobody needs to know, we fought about money. And what really triggered me off was this bitch was really typing about money, talking to me about my motherfucking money, while this bitch was on my LA apartment bed. And I was like, how this bitch gonna motherfucking question me about where my money's going while she typing all of this in my LA apartment. Like, bitch, if I didn't care about you, you would not be in my motherfucking LA apartment, like, for work.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that is from my POV. I'm just saying, Princess, I will never fight about you about my money again, because that will not be a conversation we'll be having ever again.
Can I talk about my POV?
Yeah, bitch.
Okay, so when you texted me about, you know, paying me twice about a video that we didn't make, I was just like, oh, I feel like I should still keep it because, you know, we've been doing like, you know, anyways, like, you know, we've been doing YouTube videos for, yeah, I feel like I deserved it, you know.
And I didn't ask for it back.
Yeah.
So don't even.
You told me to change the invoice.
Yeah, to fix
Yeah,
it.
so-
Not for me, but because I pay people to handle my money and they asked me to tell you to fix it. Because you're fucking up my system.
Anyways, so yeah, we just fought about stupid shit, like, you know, like.
But we needed it because I would rather fight about money now than like when we're like old.
Yeah. Honestly, money is not anything to me. I don't really care for it. Like, making videos with you is more important than money than ever. Just, you know, just having these moments with you.
Not you about to cry, bitch. Nuh-uh.
And like, you know, like, even if, you know, we fight and stuff like that, I know, like, deep down that you don't want to say it, that you love me.
Oh my god. Not in this video, princess. We should wait until for your birthday for that.
Yeah.
Well, I do love you, princess.
Oh, actually,
I just, you know
what's so funny?
We were raised by parents that never said that to us.
Yeah, no, it's really
We
hard.
were raised by parents, not just my mom.
I feel like it's really awkward sometimes when we tell my mom, like, we love you. She's like,
She'd be like, Adula amin.
like, she gets so scared, like,
Yeah,
running away.
Like, we're not her kids. Or, like, whenever, like, we're too lovey to my mom,
Yeah.
she'd be like, Adula amin, which is, like, whatever.
whatever.
Like, I know, like, Filipino siblings are, like, watching this. Like, I can relate right now. But, like, I remember when this Christmas, Cleo was going around the whole entire family, like, asking if they're Samoan, and like obviously we're Filipino. She was like, "Mommy," oh no, she was asking
Catherine.
Can you tell this story because you were there?
Cleo was like, Auntie, is mommy Samoan? And then she was like, no. She goes, is baby brother Samoan? She was like, no. She goes, Auntie, are you Samoan? And she was like, no.
And then were they coming to the party? Because she asked me if I was Samoan too.
Yeah. And then Catherine was like, oh, you're the only Samoan. And she was so sad. She was like, I'm the only one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so sad. I'm like, but you're Filipino too.
And then she's like, no.
No, she's like, no, I'm Samoan.
I think it's so funny because like obviously Cleo has a dad and he's like Samoan. You guys know Cleo's Samoan, but
Yeah.
it's so cool like raising like not bilingual. Well, she is bilingual. She's gonna be, but
Yeah.
mix. Girl, why can't I think of that word? It's so crazy like raising like mixed kids because like you remember even when Cleo was like a little girl and like we would teach her like beautiful eyes, which was like, you know, if you're Filipino, it's like that. And then she forgot about it because in Samoan, beautiful eyes is makas.
Yeah.
And then what else is she like? She would be like, I go and tell Mama Sasa you. I'm like, bitch, tell your mom to fucking hit me. I will hit her ass back. I don't know why Cleo thinks I'm scared of Princess. Like she's every time I say no to Cleo, she'd be like, I tell Grandma Sasa you. I'm like, Sasa means like lickings or like spanking.
Spanking.
Like, bitch, I dare you to tell your fucking mom about me. I'll Sasa her right back.
Like, I asked her, so Cleo knows, she's like, what about baby brother? What is he? And I was like, he's Mexican, Puerto Rican, and Filipino. She was like, what is that?
Yeah. I think
And one
she's
time
just...
he was like, why is Ezekiel so white? We were showering, and then they were showering, and then she's like, he's so white. He has a white butt.
Period.
And I was just like,
I remember it's just so funny that like she's really in the age where she is asking about
So much
so many
questions.
fucking things, even about her name.
no, she wants me to name my other daughter Butterflies.
Butterflies.
But we're like, Mariposa?
No, remember how she was like asking you about like, oh mommy, like why is my name Cleo?
She was like, why is my name Cleo, mommy? And I was like, I don't know, Bretman named you. And she was like, Bretman's my mommy.
Period.
When is mom coming back, honestly?
Bitch, I don't.
She told you February? She
Keep
told
her
me
with
March.
no. Bitch, she told me April. Girl, she's not coming home. I'm telling you, that's how she is. Cause she brought a one-way ticket. Well, I bought her a one-way ticket back home. Kiefer will tell us right now my mom's final day.
Are you drinking my drink?
What thought you didn't want it?
Princess, hurry up.
She's coming home
Prin-
at the ending of February.
Mom's coming home in the end of February. Are you excited for mom to come home?
Honestly, Yeah, I'm tired of my kids. They need to be over there. Just
Yeah.
kidding. I'm just
true.
kidding.
She chillin'. Okay, princess. Last thing, we should update them about what we're doing in our lives right now.
The kids are back in school.
Per.
I'm really excited for that. They're so happy to be at school. Cleo and Ezekiel is just. The teacher was like, Cleo loves to sing and Ezekiel likes to dance. I was like,
Per. She got performer girls. She got
Yeah.
performer kids.
but are you gonna say something about my hair? I mean, you saw it
Oh,
already.
yeah.
You wanna say something?
Okay, let me say something about your hair, princess. Oh my god, princess, your hair is getting so long. And healthy and luscious.
Thank you.
It's like,
I've been keeping up.
yeah.
I've been
You dyed it
shy.
back to black. I can
I did.
see. It looks so nice like that. You
Yeah.
should keep it like that.
I just want it to be you.
It's giving though. I really like your hair when it's natural and
Yeah.
not like dead. Do you miss when your hair was this length?
Oh my
Do you
god.
miss it? It was giving
No, it was
shag.
giving very much Edward Scissorhands
Yeah.
hair, bitch.
And he cut them too, bitch. Okay, Tanya, update me about my life now.
Update us.
Oh yeah. No, bitch. What about you? What have
Oh, okay.
you be like?
I
just
said-
be like. What about you? What have you been doing?
Okay. Oh my god, Brett. What?
You need
what
to tap me. Yes,
Wait, hold on. Sorry, that was awkward.
bitch.
Brett.
Yes.
What about you? What's your update in
Oh
life?
my gosh. I just really didn't think you were gonna ask me.
I wasn't.
There's a lot of updates in my life actually, but right now I feel like something that I can tell you is that I'm finishing up something for the baddest publication.
Am I in it?
There's just so many things I can't talk about, but I do also have the thing that I worked on Canada coming out soon, a commercial, and this year I really am thinking of building my pool. So hopefully by the time we do another mukbang, there's gonna be construction going on in the back. Princess, this last topic actually. Princess,
This is not what I wanted.
give us a little sample of your music, a little outro for your music.
Okay.
Can you play us a little sample?
Oh yeah, I can. You broke my heart and my sanity. I was down, bad on my knees.
Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise we will not be going on a YouTube hiatus for a hot minute. Before the meantime, if you guys enjoyed this video, watch out for next week's video. And if you're waiting for next week's video, you might as well motherfucking follow me. Everything is at Bretman Rock, Twitter at Bretman Rock, Snapchat at Bretman Rock. But who the fuck uses Snapchat anymore? Don't add me. Add me on TikTok instead at Bretman Rock as well. I love you guys and I hope you guys come back on my channel. And bitch, you're already right here. You also might as well subscribe. Princess, follow her on all
On
the
Instagram, Real Princess Mary. Love you guys. Have a good day.
YouTube.
Oh yeah, and YouTube, please.
Bye. Sorry, it's our first video back. Give
It's
us
the
a little-
lobster, bitch.
It's- yeah.
It's literally making me like itchy now.
Oh yeah, this bitch is allergic to lobster. On that note, we're gonna go get some Benadryl. Love you.